This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Heinz tomato ketchup Gewürzgurken flavor pickle Geschmack. Yeah, I mixed that up quite well. This is the Serviervorschlag. I guess you can use this as a substitute for the pickles on the burger. Or maybe you can't. I do not know if there's actual pickle in there. I saw this the other day at Kaufland and it had to be bought. It was the only one that I could see was left in this little cardboard thing that they store this in for sale. It looks like regular ketchup. I am in a different setting here reviewing this, so the light is going to be different as usual, and also I'm using a different recording device. I hope you can bear with me for this time around. No Canon was used in the process of filming this video. Let's take a look at the ingredients list right there. Heinz Gewürzgurken Geschmack Ketchup, Heinz Pickle Flavor Ketchup. Tomato ketchup with pickle flavor. We have got tomatoes, we have got some vinegar, sugar, salt, natural dill aroma, onion powder, spice extracts, spice and herbs extracts. They include celery. No, it's cilantro, I think it's called. No, cilantro was something different. I do not know my spices. More spices, natural aroma, and that seems to be it. Yeah, no pickle was harmed in the making of this ketchup. That's interesting. 400 milligrams, 460 grams. Does this particular package amount to ingredient-wise? And the nutrition table right there. Fantastic. Yeah, this is what we need in ketchup to see how unhealthy it is. It is best consumed by the end of this year, but this one here is not getting out. Let us open this up. I checked in the store whether it's still closed. It is still closed. It's a different Heinz sort of lid here. I usually go for the cheap products from discount supermarkets, so I'm not very familiar with the brand stuff. I apologize dearly for this lack of experience. Taking off the lid. Looks-wise still the same. Scent-wise, it does smell of dill, most of all. And now it's leaving already, the scent. So it does smell of dill, a lot of dill. It smells like the salmon that you can get with the dill seasoning on it, but they turned the dill seasoning up and left out the salmon. Let's see what this tastes like. Give it a shake, open it up, take a big nice spoon and get some on here. Looks-wise seems to be fine. On camera it seems to be slightly different than it is in person. It's a bit richer in red, but not by much. Not by much. Scent-wise still dill scent. A bit of an acidic scent as well. It does smell a bit of a jar of pickles, but not too much. Taste of ketchup. It does have a dill flavor to it as well, although it's hard to tell because the dill scent was so intense. Maybe that's just that overshadowing everything else. And I seemingly can make out a bit of pickle flavor as well. Let's go with some dumplings, some Slavic dumplings, pelmeni, or maybe they're not. I'm not very familiar with what is what exactly. I hope I'm not being crucified for appropriately calling a regular dumpling a pelmeni. Let's see what this tastes of together with something actually. It's interesting, that's for sure. The texture seems to be quite a bit different than regular ketchup though. It seems to be a bit more runny, not as thick. It seems to be smoother as well. Usually you have some sort of viscosity to it that almost looks like it's made out of little bulbous cloudy segments. Sorry for the noise I'm making here. But this one here seems to be a lot more fluid, a lot less viscous. It does taste of ketchup with dill and maybe a bit of an acidic pickle flavor, but the pickle is unfortunately not the first thing that comes to mind when smelling this, when consuming this in any way, shape or form. No. Could have called it Heinz tomato ketchup dill style. No. Let's make sure that I really get this. I'm not going to consume the entire ketchup bottle. I'm not going to be that thorough though. I'll finish this in a second, don't worry. But I have to say that this was a bit disappointing. It does smell, most of all, of ketchup with dill. Not too much pickle-wise. I don't think it's quite the replacement for pickles on burgers than some people might have hoped for. And flavor-wise, it also is slightly disappointing. It does have a certain thing to it with the dill on it. I do prefer this, maybe even over regular Heinz tomato ketchup, because the regular one is just quite a bit too sweet. This one here is also sweet, but it does have a different thing to it. So it's not just the sweetness, the overly sweet nature of the tomato ketchup that is the whole show. No, there is something else to it. But yeah, I cannot give this more than a 6 out of 10. I do appreciate it for what it is, but it does underdeliver on the pickle flavor. And while it's not terrible, it's not fantastic either. Yeah. 6 out of 10 is the final rating for the Heinz tomato ketchup Gewürzgurken Geschmack pickle flavor. And this is where I'm going to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.